Good day. If you are new, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to discuss the building and designing of my camp trailer. In 2012 I bought a used trailer with the hopes of designing and building my own camp trailer. First things first, I had to design a slide out to access the stored items with ease, but after using it a couple of times I realized that it doesn't work well and it wastes a lot of floor space. One of the design features of this camp trailer is to house a bar fridge that has been repurposed as a camp fridge. We have more on that on a future video, so please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on that build. Once the slide out was completed for the fridge, the rest of the trailer can continue because we have the dimensions that we need to continue with the rest of the build. I own a small boat for fishing, so I wished to tow it behind the trailer, so I had to add a tow hitch to the back of the trailer. Slide out frames was added to accommodate crates for easy access to everything that I need for all my adventures. I have repurposed the original lid of the trailer as a roof, and now I can add the sides and the doors to the structure. And there I was, embarking on my maiden voyage, only to discover with sadness in my heart that the road capabilities of the trailer was insufficient as the suspension cannot carry the extra weight. The next step was to widen the suspension and the axle to stabilize the trailer while towing. A rooftop tent was added, and fortunately the rooftop tent had an added room for extra sleeping accommodation. It was time for a second adventure. Now I only realized that the widened suspension is good for handling, but the leaf springs cannot handle the extra weight. So the next option was either bigger leaf springs or adding a coil spring. The coil spring made a big difference. Because of the extra width of the suspension, it allowed me to add two boxes, one at each side, for extra storage. A frame with a curtain was added to become a shower in the near future. Now it was time for the third adventure, and I must say, I was very thankful that everything worked out. It handled well on the road and its setup was quick and easy. Righto guys, so this is where we are at this stage. Let's quickly run through it and I'll show you what I've done so far and what I still need to do. So if we come to this side, I widened the suspension as you just saw, so it gave me the opportunity to add these boxes. This boxes contains now all the tent pins, the hammers, the tools, everything we need for the logistics of the trailer. In this door, if I open it, we've got the kitchen unit. Here I've got a drop down table. If you need extra space for if you got a 2-plate gas stove or something, if you need to use that. My gas bottle fits into there. I'll show you in a minute. I've got a microwave, I've got a full 220 system. My plans in the future is to convert this to a solar 12-volt system as well, but that is for another day. So hit that like, subscribe and click that notification bell to keep up with this build. I've got extra storage here, I've got my cutlery over here, I've got 4 crate shelves here. Like for this one, I've got all my fishing gear. This top one, it's all my crockery. So I've got all my cups, my plates, soup dishes, everything is in this crate. Then I've got another 2 crates. The one is for all the extra side shade covers, air pump for the mattresses, spare ropes. On top here I've got all the spices and the dishwashing soap, some pots and my kettle. So everything is neatly, everything has got its place, nothing can move around while we are in motion, while we are pulling the trailer. So everything is secured where it needs to be. If we walk around to the back, if we open this door, I've got some extra shelves here for all my electrical extra plugs. I've got these lights that I put some Velcro on so we can hook it to wherever. For my 220 system, I've got a couple of those lights. Obviously in South Africa sometimes you need plugs like this, so I've got one spare and some extra extension leads. If we open here at the back, At this stage I do not have a water system, but again this will be a future project. But for now I fill it up and I've got 25 liters of water available at any given time. As I mentioned, this is my gas bottle. It goes there securely, and I just put a cooking top. Hop on for now is all I need at this stage. Walking over to this side, I just forgot to mention here at the back, all your chairs, the rooftop tent has got an extra tent that goes with it, so that with the extra chairs, with everything is at the bottom where you can access it easily from the back. Coming over to this side, this is my levels, so it's easy to use. I just unbolt it, put it down, jack up that side or whatever the case may be, slide in the pin, and then I can level it using the nose wheel. Then I've got some extra storage here if you need to strap something down. Everywhere I added steps to climb on top to open and close the rooftop tent with ease. Okay guys, on this side, on this box, if you open it up, all my electrical is here. So this is my shore power connection. All my extension leads, everything goes this side. If I open this, this is where I keep my refrigerator on a slide out. Again, this is a 220 volt bar fridge at a vertical position. I'll put a link in the video to go and show you the video where we convert these fridges from a vertical position to a horizontal position. So I've got my refrigerator side and I've got my fridge side. On top here I've got my table. I'll just show you quickly how to access the table. First I open this latch over here. Then I open the latch at the back. There's a full-size dining table for at nights where we can eat as a family. Okay guys, this is the basin side of the trailer. If I open up this latch, this drop down, I've got the drying rack, a washing basin and a rinse basin for washing up my dishes. Please consider subscribing to our channel, and you can do this by clicking on this button. And if you want to watch more content like this, you can click on this button. Thank you.